Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel. Put a canvas and draw different lines of painting. You draw pairs in different colors like yellow, blue, whatever you want, and then blend all the colors to create beautiful shading. Drawing is a rewarding and enriching process that can improve creativity, observation skills, and even problem solving abilities. Drawing encourages you to really look at the world around you. It encourages you to really look at the world. It helps in visualizing ideas and expressing emotions, opening up a space for creative thought and exploration. After that, you can draw beautiful drive and different mountains with a flat texture. The practice of drawing improves hand-eye coordination and precision, benefiting overall motor skills and dexterity. Creating a detailed drawing requires concentration, patience, and the ability to work through challenges. Drawing can be meditative, reducing stress. Start with a range of pencils, any sketchbook, or even loose sheets of printer paper will do for practice. Focus on drawing the outline of the object. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Mastering shading, practice drawing